product label may look professional, but does it actually comply with FDA requirements? Many companies spend thousands of dollars manufacturing products, designing packaging, and preparing inventory, only to discover later that their labels contain serious FDA compliance problems. And even small labeling mistakes can lead to shipment delays, retail issues, product relabeling, FDA warnings, or costly reprints. So what exactly is an FDA label review? And why is it such an important part of bringing products into the United States market? An FDA label review is the process of evaluating a product label for compliance with FDA regulations. The goal is to identify potential issues before products are imported, distributed, or sold in the United States. FDA labeling requirements can apply to many different product categories, including foods, dietary supplements, cosmetics, medical devices, and OTC drug products. Each category has its own specific rules, formatting requirements, and mandatory label elements. FDA labels are not just about marketing or design. They are legal and regulatory documents. FDA reviews labels to help ensure consumers receive accurate information about the product they are using. If required information is missing, or if claims are misleading, the product may be considered misbranded under FDA regulations. That can create serious compliance problems for manufacturers, importers, distributors, and online sellers. Some of the most common FDA labeling problems include incorrect nutrition facts formatting, missing allergen declarations, improper ingredient statements, missing manufacturer or distributor information, incorrect supplement facts panels, improper cosmetic labeling, or missing OTC drug facts formatting. Another major issue involves product claims. Statements suggesting a product can diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent disease may trigger significant FDA concerns, especially for supplements and cosmetics. Even wording used on websites, Amazon listings, and advertisements can sometimes create compliance risks. Label reviews are especially important for imported products entering the US market. Many international manufacturers follow regulations from their own country, but FDA labeling requirements are often completely different. A label accepted in another country may still fail FDA compliance standards in the United States. That is why reviewing labels before production and export is so important. Fixing labeling mistakes early is usually far easier and far less expensive than correcting problems after products are already manufactured or shipped. One of the biggest challenges with FDA labeling is that different products follow different regulatory requirements. For example, dietary supplements require supplement facts panels, foods require nutrition facts panels, OTC drugs require drug facts formatting, and cosmetics must follow cosmetic ingredient labeling requirements. Even small differences in wording, formatting, serving sizes, or ingredient declarations can affect compliance. That is why professional label review support can be extremely valuable before launching products in the US market. FDA label compliance can become complicated very quickly, especially for growing brands and international manufacturers. That is why companies worldwide trust FDA registration assistance. Our team helps businesses review labels for FDA compliance concerns before products are imported, marketed, or sold in the United States. FDA registration assistance supports companies with food label reviews, supplement label reviews, cosmetic label reviews, OTC drug label reviews, medical device labeling guidance, and broader FDA compliance support, with experience assisting companies in over 135 countries. FDA registration assistance helps businesses prepare labels with greater confidence before products reach the US market. One label mistake can become extremely expensive later. Companies may face product reprints, delayed shipments, relabeling costs, retail disruptions, or compliance questions during import. Reviewing labels early in the product development process helps reduce these risks and allows companies to move forward more confidently. If your company sells food, supplements, cosmetics, OTC drugs, or other FDA-regulated products, FDA label compliance should never be overlooked. Contact FDA registration assistance today to learn how our team can help review your labels and support your FDA compliance process before products enter the US market.